You guys, so I already took the air out of this squishy, the cheese squishy, but I feel like, what if I stuff it with like slime or something? Give me a second. So the plan is I'm gonna put this into the squishy. It's butter slime. I'm gonna put this into the squishy. You got the skin right here. I mixed the clay that was in here with the slime that I'm gonna be putting in there. Half of the other one, half of the other one, I don't know where it went, so now it's just in my rooms somewhere. But enough talking. Let's put this in here and make the best butter, the best cheese squishy. So we're going to open up the little big, actually. We're gonna just stuff it in there. Okay, we officially have like one of the best squishies. I don't know what I'm gonna do about this though. I don't have anything to so now we just have this circle. Oh yeah, other than that, we're good. Like, we're so good. I might stuff it like wet slime or something. Like regular slime. See, like, it's just like, it's empty. That's the only issue. So, come back if you wanted to see me stuff this with slime. But yeah, that's the end of me putting slime in my cheese squishy. So yeah, come back for more squishy contents.